Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've not been active for a while. I have been very busy with just general things such as life. But today I'm going to show you how to create a simple cut on the knee. So if you're interested in SFX, I'll link a website below where you can purchase all the SFX makeup and you can get 10% off if you use the code SFXDavid. So if you want to learn how to recreate a cut on the knee, stay tuned. So first of all, I'm going to take some nose and scar wax. This is already pre-coloured. It's just old scar wax that I've used and put back into the jar. I'm then going to take it into a sausage shape and put it on my knee where I want the cut to be, just like so. And then I'm going to take a sculpting tool. This is one that I bought from Amazon. It's actually really good. And then I'm just going to blend the edges just like this. This step doesn't really need to be neat because it's only going to be the underneath part of the cut. And then I'm just going to like score the wax just like this to give it a bit of texture. And then taking my bruise wheel. This one is absolutely amazing. I'm taking the yellow colour. And then I'm going to put that all over where I've just put the wax to give it like a tissuey, fatty colour. Once I've done that, I'm just going to go over scoring the wax again because it can be flattened by the brush. And then I'm going to take some normal scar wax, thanks to my friend Megan for giving it me, so shout out to you. And I'm going to roll it into a sausage shape and place it at the side of the cut and blend it out just like this. And I'm going to do the same on the other side, but remember to only blend one side down just like this. Once that's done, I'm going to take some petroleum jelly, or you can use Vaseline, and I'm going to go all over the light colour wax just like this to help it blend into my skin. This really helps. Taking my sculpting tool again, I'm just cleaning it off because it's always dirty, and I'm just going to scrape away some of that wax just so I get a seamless transition from the wax to my skin just like this. And I'm going to do it the whole way round. I'm now taking a dry tissue paper and patting away around the edge where the Vaseline was. This will take away the shine. Now I'm going to try and add some texture to that bit of wax so it looks like skin. I got this from Megan, so thanks again. And then I'm going to take my Skin Illustrator palette and I'm going to use the red tone. And I'm just going to blob this all around the wax just so it can kind of match my skin colour. I'm not the best at matching skin colours yet, so don't come for me. So I'm going to take my sculpting tool again and I'm going to score away at the edges just like this. This will give it a nice torn effect. So it's like you've scraped it along the floor, and you want to do that along the whole cut. And now you've come to the final step, which is blood. Oh my god, this is the best blood ever. It's Kensington Gore in aged. I do have 10% off this, so the link will be in the description if you use the code SFXDavid. But all you want to do is you want to try and get it into the deepest crevices just like this. And then let it sit for a couple of minutes so it seeps into the really deep parts. And then I'm going to take a paper towel that's wet, and I'm going to take away some of that blood and just spatter it around just like so. And then you just want to play around with the blood really, just add some to the parts that you're not happy with. I like to put some down and then I wipe it away just so it looks like the blood has been there. And then you can add some drips, you can add some splash, you can do whatever you want. SFX is always messy anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But all you have to do is just play around with the blood until you are happy. And then this is the final look, guys. This is a torn kneecap, and as you can see, it's very movable. The blood is just amazing. I do love this blood. Don't forget to check out the website below where you can buy all of these products, and using the code SFXDavid for 10% off. Here is the removal. Everyone always asks for a removal, so here it is. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. If you did, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. And if you have any suggestions of what I should do next, leave them in the comment section below. Bye, guys.